Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to change PIN code in Messenger. And in order for us to do that, we may have to launch our Messenger application. And then we are going to tap on the three lines and then we are going to tap on settings. From here, we are going to navigate to the privacy, which is here at preference. And then we're going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chat. And then we're going to tap on message storage. And then we're going to tap on the set pin. And here in the set pin, once we click on it, we're going to create our pin. And that's what I'm going to do now. And then I'm going to confirm my pin. Once you've already done that, you have now changed the pin that was once on your messenger and you have updated it to the latest one, which is the one that we have currently updated it to. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.